This tree is been made with the leftover from Jahangir Jandi's exhibition, which he held in my home in April. The chicken mesh was bought for the first edition of Khotachiwadi Alive, where I put it on that wall on the main road to hang flowers and paintings from. As as before, I try and make my Christmas trees out of everything which is available. I've made one about 2 or 3 years ago out of gunny sack from a shoot of mine. And for me, Christmas is so much fun, and this is what my mother has insisted on. And it's the community getting together to decorate, which is really the spirit of Christmas.
I started making these recycled, upcycled fabric and upcycled things, Christmas trees last year. Because one of my friends comes from Anjuna, he was lamenting that he had given away his Christmas tree, he had no Christmas tree and all that. So we looked at ideas out of the box Christmas trees. And we had a lot of bamboo in the garden. So we cut up a few bamboo, and Hari, my friend, and I went to his house in Anjuna, and we put up this bamboo Christmas tree, which was really in a triangle with a few branches made from bamboo. And we got bits and pieces, fabric and old pine cones, old shells and stuff like that. And made our own Christmas tree. And I'm saying this spreads a message of joy, of sharing, and also the message of environmental concerns.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.